The CARVALAX pipe tube bender set is a comprehensive kit that includes 7 interchangeable, color-coded aluminum bender heads to accommodate various pipe sizes, making it highly versatile. This bender set is capable of bending soft copper, aluminum, PVC, and light wall stainless tubing up to 90 degrees, making it ideal for a wide range of applications. Designed for easy operation, this tool features a 20-second setup procedure, an ergonomic extra-long handle for better leverage, and a compact design for use in tight spaces. Crafted from durable materials like high-quality carbon alloy and aluminum, the CARVALAX bender is built for longevity and includes a portable toolbox for safe storage. The kit also comes with a pipe cutter and deburring tool, ensuring clean and efficient work on all types of pipes, enhancing its functionality. Suitable for various tasks such as plumbing, floor heating, ventilation, refrigeration, air conditioning, and hydraulic systems, this pipe bender set is extremely versatile.